Good morning, class 8 students. Class 8 mamangda tawgibado say biogas from animal and say sibok tawgre ko against the microbes sibok tawgre. PS number 23 gido ko. Haidi making vaccine tawbado. Vaccine tawbagi di khange ko. Vaccine sidai sta antibody se leirani karino akanta microbe se akoigi se hakchang sidai enter torokpada body sina karigumba substance ama puthoeba that is called the antibody kaure adugiduna microbe to adumaina destroy to hole adu targadi immunity se akoigi immune je hengadale against the karaida hengadale haiba matamda hujiki disease to changako matamda immune do hakchang do kangkhalabani na immunity do hengalabani na akoina changa iba microbes to aduna adumaina laina do pon banga maroi adagi immunity se kedoba artificially produce to hon banga meba kamai to dana vaccinating to roba matung de vaccination kapaga immune system je hengadale aduba targadi vaccine adi karino hakana substance to oidoini karamba makhan gi substance aba matamda protect tawriba individual from the disease ama akoina protect to holaba disease se for example akoina se kaino da ka khoigi se kaino gi hairo huji corona virus ki hairo vaccine kapa hai se karino hai taragadi akoi immune system hengatnaba adumaina artificial oiba substance tuneba aduga akoi si hengat halaga kaidore changa iba mahik tuga adu akoi gi hakchangi antibody duga adumaina fight tawgrani adoi taragadi akoi gi body do nungaina adumaina anaba yaudana lehenba adugini ko akoina vaccine je yam kanna adumaina kapnari je aduga vaccine je kapkhiba taragadi hariba disease tu dagi akoi je lifetime du masukna nararoi adudi environmental roles and the uses sigi case study sima thanam ji ko environmental roles and uses sidai da akoi gi microbes sing se kamai tawgi yenga seba environmental microbes sing sida akoi gi have many environmental uses to fungi bacteria eka on dead plant and animal matter and waste products. They decompose them by changing them into simple substance. This simple substance can be used by plants again to make food. Haba. Haidi amuk akoigi decompose tawhanba aduga akoigi pambi chingchigi oiro akoigi machinjak adumaina ohenba. And then bacteria are used in sewage treatment plants to break down plant and animal matter in sewage. They are also used to make biogas from the animal and the plant waste. ID bacteria kasingchina akoigi se akoina phata hudi mayam akoi sidai jaija se dustbin lobula iba mayam se sigi dustbin jigi mayam hundokpham ama laiganeba hariba hundokpham do adaiduda akoina se akoigi moigi treatment je tawraga decompose tawthohanba adugi matungduda hairibasingdo biogas oina sijinarakpa sidai stage da achauba bacteria sna mateng pangeba sewage treatment haije ko ising onthokpa yabana ising olaga chendan giba mapangjingdo pathan ba yabana pathan laba sumai tawraga biogas si chu onthorokpa yai adumain sigi decompose tawthohan lai singche akoigi pathapum tha lag iba mayam tawalaga patha laga akoigi anouba moina puthorakadori se that is kaidoba sewage treatment duni sida bacteria sina major role ama lauganeba ma atopa mayam uses mayam ama other uses that some bacteria are essential for life and health. Bacteria in the stomach of herbivores help them to break down cellulose. Akoina herbivores ay targani napi singna saba akoigi se eat only se plants habako adui targadi plants tagi akoina phangadoi cellulose tuni cellulose se breakdown tawba matam sidai da herbivore gi stomach ta yauriba bacteria singche sigisina herbivores ki stomach ta yauriba cellulose ting jo breakdown tawre. Many kinds of bacteria live in our intestine. Without them, we would not be able to digest our food properly. Many kinds of bacteria live in our intestines. Without them, moyauk da targadi akoigi thijana akoigi digest tohon base kijingamdaba. Say for example, a kind of bacterium produce vitamin K, habako bacteria, the bacterium that is the singular form of bacteria, sina vitamin K kasi puthokpa. Adagi sidaita makal aisna probiotic bacteria are eaten to keep the digestive system functioning properly. Probiotic bacteria sina are eaten to keep the digestive system se function je phajana tawonba. They also reduce the growth of harmful bacteria inside the digestive system. Hariba probiotic bacteria ka singchina digestive systems the harmful oigadaba bacteria ka singche sigi chang sigi growth handanba. That means the masing yang korandaba. Adagi bacteriophage are virus that kill bacteria. Bacteriophage adi kaino virus sina bacteria se kill tawbase bacteriophage kawe. Adui tadi pulap lai minari ni masi scientific research tawbade am kanna sijinai. Adui tadi efforts are being made to use them to kill disease causing bacteria. Adui di made to use them to kill tawale but disease causing bacteria singse kill tawale. Bacteriophage adi bacteria ga virus ka punna lai minabase that is called the bacteriophage. Si lai gre ko kana bani hujibok lai ribase ado batarga di kana daba amang ata thuon ba that is harmful microbes mayam ama julak pata bane ba ko kamaina lakeng si some microbes are harmful to us akoida yamna akai ba amang ata thuon bado human disease plants and animals mayam ama thuon le ado batarga di any microbe that causes disease in humans ta plants ta animals ta thuon bado pathogen kaweba laina to olibado aduidu pathogen kaweba microbe to laina to olibado microbe to that is called the pathogen adu batar the human da thon ba yengasi diseases that spread from one person to another mi amadagi mi amada sandok pase si bo khoina infectious disease kawi or natraga communicable disease kawi coronavirus in communicable la non communicable la or natraga infectious la non infectious la ID communicable or infectious amadagi amada lawnai natra sijibu akoina one person to the another person da akoi spread tobasibu communicable or natraga infectious disease kaweba. Microbes can enter our body through the air we breathe. Nungchitagi oina sorhombada sangraba water thakpada sangraba adagi cut skin cut obada sangraba adagi insect naga thokpada sangraba or natraga animal naga chikpada dumaina laina se poglo aba adugi mayam duni makha da piri se ko leprosy hairo disease ta adagi di type of microbe hairo method of infection hairo adu batadi leprosy haidi akoina sidai jaisa angouba pakpa ka haibadu ko leprosy bacterium through ear direct contact magi sandokoi mawong na ko tuberculosis adi TB do bacterium ni masiju nungsitta through ear cholera bacterium kaidoba through water ising phataba thakanu ka haibadu ko anthrax bacterium ni adudi ear da direct contact ta infected foot ta tetanus bacterium through cuts on the skin kone skin gumba kakpa sidai jai da tetanus changni haido that is the bacterium amoebiasis site are the protozoan through infected food or water malaria protozoan through insect and bites malaria se ko kang na sandokpado kang amom na sandokani kang gi laina sandokpada sleeping sickness protozoan through insect bites insect sina chikpa dagi tholakpa atlas foot fungus na sina ko through infected clothing or places ta common cold virus through ear or direct contact flu virus through ear or direct contact chicken pox virus ni sisu ear dagi direct contact measles the light thokpa habado virus through ear and direct contact sigi measles ka habje sisna matam amada adumaina huji corona tawriba sumaina tawgrabani ko takatana loina maglan tagrabani dengue virus through insect bites id dengue di kangchi an ganu huji moreda du haido rabies id akoina ga huina chikpa adagi atai se hongdong na chipa toido virus ni through animal bites sumaina laire sigi simanoi chimpa puthokpa ama darkar oigani and then the microbes harmful to animals animal the harmful ohenba microbes anthrax is a lethal disease of cattle caused a virus a bacterium by a bacterium haibako bacterium na thuanba ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯇꯜꯗ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ avian tuberculosis bacterial disease ni of poultry adagidi bovine viral diarrhea or foot and mouth disease are important viral disease of cattle sigi machin mayaga naba dagi diarrhea ga tawbadu ko swine flu disease caused by an influenza virus in pigs aduna akoina sigi gaga laibase sidaista ni sa sa kanu kaina habadu sarasu munna thongu kaina gaga haiban lainaidana ko some kinds of algae produce toxins that can kill humans algae se sisina su akoina toxin puthokpa haidi hu chen ba dumaina adagi fish kumba adagi livestock cattle goats ka singsina dumaina se charu raba matungda dumaina moise sidoini some animal disease such as rabies and anthrax can spread to human and cause death edi mi da ju sandoraktoi maram di sa sing do charu badagi sa sing du ga nakna na loina ru badagi etc aduidi microbes sing sina plant di kamai tawi habadu yengasi ko say crawl gall disease in cotton and is caused by a bacterium sidai sai da akoina say akoi gi kari haini cotton pambi se sidai sai da bacteria sina thu andoini ko sidai da crown gall hai je crown gall haba akoi di crown di luhup to adigi citrus canker ka haisidi akoina se champra gumba pambi da akoigi se ugi makup tawna horai khaiba dawna tarak pado that is called the citrus canker si bacterium na to anbani lesions are formed on the leaves and stem and the fruits adagi then rice blast is caused by a fungus it causes lesions to form on all parts of the plant sidai sai da akoina rice taga thoali se sidai sai rice blast hai se sumaina makok sing che tawsalaga te kidoini ko adagidi sidai sai da Panama wilt is a fungal disease that affects banana plant sidai sai da tawli se sidai da Panama wilt hai se adagi red rot of sugarcane is caused by a fungus red rot of se akoina sugar cane da akoina i thang i chang badawna tawba chang ba chaba yadabado rice tangro disease is caused by two viruses rice tangro kai sina virus ani na thuan ba chumaina leire citrus canker kai di chumaina leiriba adagi u stem gumba du da na maku oina ga kel haidi horai khai badawna ga kel ido moiduni ko haise adudi sigista microbes and the food spoilage sabado microbes sing sina food mangan bado kamaina no na adumaina mati ama yauri ko spoiling of food se adumaina akogi se kari haini pumhan ba mangan ba food products can become contaminated by bacteria and fungi food sidai sa adumaina contaminate tawra ba yausala ba bacteria gumba fungi gumba se adoi ba taragadi harmful bacteria oidoini ko se which can spoil milk to pumdarani meat fish vegetables and fruits si pummaneba spoil food to dai da kan toxin do yaure produced by the microbe to na puthokpa adoi targadi which can reduce the taste mahau do handarakpa adagi food smell do khoigi namthirakpa adoi targadi kaidore illness oirani food poisoning oire the action of yeast or fruit juice on fruit juice koigi fruit ki juice sidai sai sa yeast sigi action se makes it unsuitable oiraba thakpa matamda this is cause yeast converts the sugar se in the juice to alcohol sigi yeast sina sugar do hujiki juice to the yauriba sugar do yeast to na kari on thokpa alcohol da convert ogre adoi tadi presence of some kinds of microbes in food can cause infectious disease se adumaina lahalle for example salmonella in meat and eggs can cause typhoid aduna akoina se gerungumba karigumba singse puradi pumba nataba adoi taraga su mahaudi wala aba adumainga charu badagi typhoid kaidi iton phaiba ka haibaduni ko aduda sidai sai da noi sida mamangda akoina legend na ama yawgi bado jaga do damage tawba jaga do haidi pambi gi oiro sina chingba akoigi se akoigi laina thu oliba jaga do that is called the ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯨꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯖꯒꯥꯗꯣ ꯗꯦꯠ ꯏꯁ ꯀꯣꯟ ꯗ ꯂꯦꯖꯦꯟ ꯀꯧꯏꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯐꯨꯗꯁꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯖꯥꯔꯕ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩ ꯐꯨꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯖꯥꯔꯕꯦꯁꯟ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯐꯨꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯖꯥꯔꯕꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯗꯤꯍꯥꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯦꯠ ꯃꯁꯔꯨꯝꯁ ꯑꯅ ꯅꯥꯀꯟꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯨ ꯗꯤꯍꯥꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯠ ꯗꯦꯠ ꯃꯤꯟꯁꯇ ꯆꯣꯠꯂꯝꯕꯗꯣ ꯀꯪꯍꯟꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯪꯍꯟꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯃꯟ ꯐꯨꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯖꯥꯔꯕꯦꯁꯟꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯦ ꯉꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣ ꯀꯪꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯥꯗ ꯐꯧꯗꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯃꯩꯗ ꯌꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗꯨꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯃꯍꯤꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨ ꯆꯠꯈꯤ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯃꯅꯝ ꯅꯝꯊꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯡ ꯄꯠꯊꯕ ꯄꯨꯝꯊꯕꯗꯣ ꯍꯟꯊꯈ꯭ꯔꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯑꯥꯏꯇꯦꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯩꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯩꯒꯒ ꯌꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯥꯒꯒ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯌꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯕ ꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 8 ꯉꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀ꯭ꯔꯣꯕꯁ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯐꯨꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯏꯂꯦꯖ ꯁꯤꯐꯧꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯐꯨꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯖꯥꯔꯕꯦꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯌꯦꯡꯗꯣ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯜꯂꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯤꯛ ꯆꯦꯛ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ MCQ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯑꯦꯚ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯡ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯅꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯊꯔꯁꯗꯦꯐꯧꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯣꯏꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯂꯩꯗꯅ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯐꯧꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯔꯥꯁꯤꯃ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯂꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯃ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤꯃ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯅꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯇꯥꯏꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯐꯧ ꯇꯧꯔꯁꯤ